Inside this industrial kitchen, the modest yellow field pea, a dry pea that needs to be cooked, is being mashed, mixed with other ingredients, and turned into a falafel-like fritter.
They're just a good product that does a lot of good things for a lot of good people.
Kevin Doherty is the Chief Culinary Officer at Commonwealth Kitchen. The Dorchester nonprofit supports primarily BIPOC and women-owned food businesses. These fritters are part of their effort to grow a just and sustainable, regionally based food economy.
Everything that we eat, drink, or breathe takes something or leaves something in the earth. We can focus some energy on using products that put things back into the earth.
Doherty explains the yellow field pea is typically just a cover crop, grown by farmers to add nutrients to the soil, but not profitable. Well, now a local farm is profiting.
A woman-owned family farm in Maine, so we're supporting local agriculture with a product that is good for the earth, good for you in terms of health, and tastes good.
Commonwealth Kitchen developed the fritters for those reasons. They contain the peas, naturally, also garlic, onion, cilantro, parsley, and a mix of spices.
This is our ready-to-go, fully cooked, fully fried, ready-to-eat version. These can be used on a salad bar, or these can be used as an appetizer, wrap, sandwich application. These are good to go. Tasty, right?
Tasty, nutritious, and minimally processed, they've been bought and are being served at dozens of area institutions, some 14 hospitals, nearly 20 universities, and thanks to a federal grant, public schools in Boston and Portland, Maine.
We're lucky enough to be feeding them a plant-forward protein that's a sustainable product grown right here in New England.
Director of Business Development Alden Cadwell adds the fritter is also a great vehicle to promote other small businesses that are part of Commonwealth Kitchen.
And we're able to say, oh, look at this company that makes the tikka masala sauce that goes really well on the field fritter. Look at this delicious red salsa. Look at this tomatillo salsa. Look at this Thai chili sauce.
Commonwealth Kitchen is growing the New England food infrastructure with responsible practices all the way from soil restoration and farming practices to bringing along, small business, women-owned business, and serving, underserved food desert. If there's not a Commonwealth Kitchen, who is doing this work and connecting all the dots?
Lots of power in those little peas, and the fritters are just the start. Commonwealth Kitchen is using a similar model to make soups using surplus produce from regional farms, also pickles and marinara sauce. Find out more on WCVB.com. Erica Tarantel, WCVB News Center 5.